my sister, of course, you know her. And, well, we're going to be doing a little special thing for my channel. We're going to be doing loud noises. We each have a phone. Well, I have my phone, he has his phone. And, dude, I'll bite you. And we're going to be doing loud noises, so that's basically what we're doing. Yep. So, for this video, you kind of hear just loud noises because we're not gonna have there's no problem with this. How are we going to go to a different app to make loud noises when we're still because I can't. So, see you in a little bit. Well, basically, we'll be filming the whole time. So basically, you're just gonna see our faces, and then we're not gonna say anything. No, just be silent. Just stay there for